Hello everyone. So people, it's been long time without eating paratha with sambar. So are we going to eat paratha with sambar today? But actually no, we will be roasting paratha. So where is paratha? Yes, Chandan.
It's here.
So
Yes.
we will be
Mus
actually
Paratha is
roasting.
here. So Mus was this video is about. Like, am I really going to get roasted?
Not really. So today is going to be really, great fun. We will be having. The reason is I am going to show you set of South Indian food and you will be guessing the names.
See, the
So-
first disclaimer, I am a vegetarian. I hope so. So the food has to be
I
vegetarian.
am also vegetarian and you know it. So we will be having the veg foods. I will be showing you. You should be guessing the name quickly.
So
Done,
what
no?
is this? Like, is this like I have to guess the food that...
Definitely you have to guess the food. So let's start.
Chaliye. So this we have in North as well. What we call this is like milk cake. That's what we call. So, and it isn't my favorite, by the way. Like it's a sort of like, it's okay.
Stop describing. It is not your milk cake. It is exclusive to South India. To for my, it is exclusive for my state. There is
Listen.
a story behind this particular sweet.
What is it called?
Okay, so actually you have guessed it wrong. So it's Mysore Pak.
Oh. So what is it? Like, is it must be sweet, right? It must be sweet. And to all
Definitely it
the
is a
North
sweet.
Indians out there, like, come on, yeah. Doesn't it look like a milky? क्या मैंने बोला था? मैं खुद ही नाम भूल गया. Like a milk.
Let me tell you, no, not milk, not cake, nothing. So this particular sweet, was so special. I can like it's so special for Karnataka, and it is being told that this particular sweet developed in Mysore Palace. That is, the king asked his, people who ever cook to make a special sweet for the guest. So they just were trying something, and it turned up into some other sweet.
It is made up of base. It's a sort
Mysore
of a
Pak.
sweet only, right? I'm very
Definitely
sure.
it is a sweet, but the name is Mysore Pak.
Next time if I visit there, when I'll be visiting there, you have to make me taste this, because
I'll
I'm
be,
very sure.
Making you to taste.
I'm very sure this is like a milk cake. That I can guarantee. Let's come to the next one. The next one seems like a rice pudding, maybe, like, I don't know, yeah. This wait a minute, let me just guess. See, near to that chutney is there, right? So I am thinking it is like rice balls. That's my random guess. Are these rice balls?
How do you know? Yeah, like it's called as rice dumplings.
Dumplings, yeah. Okay. Matlab rice pudding.
And listen. Another important thing I have to talk about this. It is in Karnataka we call it as pundi. So
Pundi, that sort of a thing.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. So, but you guessed it right. Great. That's
because it is looking like that, right? Like
balls and all. Yeah, I know.
Should we move to the next one?
Definitely, because you have answered, and
this one is looking like, let me tell you how is it looking. Okay. First of all, I don't know what it means. So it is.
That doesn't matter. You should. I don't know how does it look. I can see.
Wait. It is garnished by something like a cashew nut, or maybe like, I don't know. Like, just give me a hint. Is it a dessert?
First of all, Chandan, I'm horrible in cooking. You know.
And पता है मुझे, but tell me.
How will I know? I just know to eat.
No. Tell me one thing. Like, is it sweet or is it not sweet? That hint. It appears to be sweet.
Okay,
is it dessert?
Yeah, it's a sweet.
It's a sweet.
Yes, it's a
See,
sweet,
it has a texture not similar to something like our gajar ka.
Come on, I am not asking you how does it look. Stop using physics and everything. I want answer.
मुझे नहीं पता.
That's it.
I
Simple.
think.
One more question.
I think it is some halwa. That sort of a guess I'll make. Like some...
Halwa is equal to sweet in Hindi, right? Halwai, halwa.
No. Why is a specific sort of... पता नहीं यार, मैं नहीं खेल रहा. हाँ. Kunda.
Please give.
What is this kunda?
I was about to say it's called as kunda.
What is kunda then?
Once again, it is from Karnataka. So this particular sweet is special for Belgaum, and cause of this sweet, no, Belgaum is called as Kunda Nagari. Isn't it interesting?
I don't find it interesting. Now,
okay, whatever.
This you have made me eat. That I know. But I don't know what it was called.
Actually, no, I have not. I myself haven't eaten it for many days, I can say, months, I can say. So I have not made it.
Here, there is something. First, let me tell you, like what actually it is here. It is bitter in taste. Like the same thing. A little bitter. Like, I'm not sure. It's like, I don't know. It is some like...
Come on, give up.
Palak pakoda.
Give up.
It looks like a palak.
You're somewhere you're near.
It's spinach pakoda.
This particular leaf that we use is not of, but it is of colocasia. I mean,
पतवार ये तो यार बहुत मुश्किल है. ये थोड़े ना मतलब. How can you?
It's patrode, or it is also called as patra vada. So patra means actually leaf. The real meaning of patra vada, and and this is our vada. Made out of.
Is it tasty? It doesn't seem like tasty.
Yes, it's very tasty. It's like a little spicy, and there are a lot of spicy behind using this particular leaves as well. And we make this only in a specific season, because in other seasons it is it will make.
अरे इतना भाषण थोड़े ना देना है. Lecture नहीं चल रहा है मोटी.
Okay, but हाँ.
आगे.
And this is very famous. It is a famous Konkani food.
This is very common. This is called kheer. If it is not kheer, we call vermicelli kheer. We call something like it is vermicelli. Simple.
I want South Indian name. Kheer I know. Like, what do you call in South?
Hey Gidera
Paratha is getting roast.
Hey Gidera kheer.
Huh?
Hey Gidera kheer.
Or so let me tell you people, Hey Gidera means how are you in Kannada. So he's like, look up some names here.
It's called Hauda kheer.
Payasam.
ठीक है
Payasam.
But
so
it
I
is
thought
kheer
you know
only,
this.
right?
Okay.
See, one thing you have to say, like I should be knowing the food, right? Like नाम तो मतलब how can, like suppose अब मैं कुछ पंजाबी में पूछने लगूं हिंदी में तो
okay. So I am actually forgiving you. Yeah, you're right.
This तो यार IIT हैदराबाद में डेली खाते थे उत्पम यार. मतलब this pancakes sort of a thing, right? Is it?
Yeah. So next. So
but
you know this already.
It is one of the most tasty breakfast. Do you like it?
I actually don't find it much difference than dosa. So
no. And you know what I like the most about this one. First, it is like it has a spongy texture, right? Like because you bake it, and then the onions are half cooked, like. And when you eat it with coconut chutney, it is like a different. Like I like
it. True, that's true. I do like it. Actually, I like all the food.
This you have made me once eat in ABC Bangalore. This one ABD, whatever.
It's A to B.
A to B, right? It is like a khichdi sort of a thing. What is it? So
you do not know the name. It's once again. It's once again very special in Karnataka, and it is Karnataka food. It is bisi bele baat. Bisi means hot. Bele means dal. And baat is some out of rice. So it's bisi bele baat, and it's very tasty.
I bet it tastes.
So, I was thinking like you might not be able to get this.
This also we used to have in college. It is a sort of like a vada, like not vada, like a cutlet.
I want a specific name. What is that specific name of this?
Also, there is this chutney also. Like I don't know.
Chutney, everybody knows. I am asking the food. That's why if you're able to see the image, it has been focused on the vada.
It is.
Yeah, you give up.
You know what? It seems like I'm a student of some second grade, and I've been given a task to remember the 9 ka table, right? And I am like a teacher's like, sure, 9 ones are 9, and then the speed reduces. 9 twos are 18. And then you literally reduce the speed because you don't know what 9 fives is. That is what is
Definitely here also you are a student because I'm
Medu
actually
vada.
trying to help you out.
See, now
Yes,
it is
vada.
Medu vada. Like that I know. Fryams, yeah. That don't you remember? Like these are my favorite. Like, but not that is what are these called, by the way? Like in Kannada.
In Karnataka, it is being called as sendige.
Sendige papad fryams. ठीक है, close enough.
It's same, yeah.
This एक second. This was in the thali, right? That we used to eat. Like, do you remember? One of the thing was this.
Wait, who is getting roasted here? Am I getting roasted? You're teaching me.
No.
Tell me the name.
यार नाम नहीं पता मेरे को. I give up. नाम कैसे पता होगा? नाम मेरे को 3-4 वर्ड्स आते हैं बस कन्नड़ा में. हेगिदेरा हाउदा एना इतु एक आता है जो मैं यहाँ पे बता नहीं सकता. बस 3-4.
Okay. So yeah, let's forget that part. So this is common in Kerala as well as Karnataka. I can say in most of the South Indian states it's quite common. It's very nutritious as well.
Is it like a sabzi? Sabzi it is.
Yeah, it's a curry. You can also see curry leaves over there. Yeah.
Ha. Done. Is it done? Oh, that one only.
It's done. The question somehow you started describing and put your 200% answer some of the food.
But see, yaar,
I just
guys, I'll be back with my roasting of sambar. ठीक है, और देखते हैं सांबर को नॉर्थ इंडियन डिशेस कितनी पता है. मोटी खुश तो बहुत हो रही है ना, मतलब मुस ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे.
I know पराठा, आलू पराठा,
टमाटर दूंगा ही नहीं वो सिंपल. मैं मुश्किल दूंगा मतलब ये सब तो. बट बाय द वे लाइक इट वाज रियली नाइस. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट साउथ इंडियन डिश? मतलब मैं अपनी बता देता हूँ.
एक्चुअली you will laugh at me if I say when it comes to my likings, I like anything edible provided vegetarian.
That is the most like अगर ये बोर्ड का एग्जाम होता ना, मतलब you would get 0 out of 5. Anything that is edible. But I'll tell you what my favorite South Indian food is. Like, see, for North Indians, the one of the most overrated, I'll say, the South Indian food is dosa, right? That too is a masala dosa because first we like spices, right? And what is nearer to a spicy masala dosa? And when I was in Hyderabad, we used to get the North Indian variant of dosa. Are you getting it with over spiciness, like the red and all that?
But let me tell you, there are not just one masala dosa. We are able to find more than 100 varieties of dosas. Like Mysore masala dosa is actually more spicier than the normal masala dosa. So there are different types of dosa, paper dosa.
Paper here we get in marriages and that sort of a thing. And then I have now a soft corner for idlis as well, because like idli, because my mother makes very delicious idlis. Like matlab we have a idli stand, that sort of a thing. And this vada is my favorite. Like these three are the typical, yaar. Matlab ye to कोई भी होगा. Now coming to the non-typical ones, मतलब क्योंकि ये तो तीनों सबको ही पता है, मतलब this should be out of the box. जो मुझे वहां पर अच्छे लगा, मतलब एक बहुत ज्यादा सही, that is one, that खिचड़ी मुला इदावादा.
What is it? Avil curry, the last one.
No, the khichdi, that sort of a thing. Bisi wala baat. Right, that is awesome. And then there was one thing where a lot of cauliflower were there. Cauliflower band gobi ko kya bolte hain? Cabbage, like cauliflower, like that.
Cauliflowers.
It was like a rice only, but a lot of, like, it was a sabzi. I don't know what it is called.
The curry, the avil you're talking about.
Avil, yeah. That also is nice. That's it. Like you can't compete South India with the food when it comes to North India. Like it's a clear winner.
Let's see. Let's see which are those you're talking about.
But one thing you did not share at all.
Exotic,
you being from Mangalore, one place that you took me once was the Ideal ice cream. That you did not mention here because that I knew. But ice cream though is ice cream, na? Like that's not
If I start showing ice creams, you'll be getting confused. And the names are of like Indians, like Parafit, Chocolate Daddy, and you won't be able to guess the names for sure because there are so many varieties of ice creams in Mangalore in Ideal Ice Creams, and so that's why I thought like why to trouble Chandan.